Why does an LLM warm up before slowing down? By the end, you will watch GPT-3 cross three learning rate phases. It updates begin tiny, reach full speed, then settle. One curve protects the start and sharpens the finish. So freeze one training step. A learning rate is each update's step size. The optimizer converts gradients into parameter changes. Gradients point toward lower loss. Loss measures the model's prediction error. One number controls how far billions of parameters move, but the gradients come from untrained activations and immature optimizer statistics. They can vary sharply across batches. A large first step can overshoot useful regions. It may even trigger a loss spike. Therefore, phase 1 starts with restraint. Warm up gradually raises the learning rate from near zero. Each early batch teaches the optimizer moving average. Moving averages summarize recent gradients. The model begins forming useful internal scales. Therefore, later gradients meet a steadier update system. The safe step size can grow. Now the schedule reaches its peak learning rate. Steps are large enough to explore quickly. Training crosses broad valleys instead of creeping along one edge. But loss keeps failing, so the useful scale changes. Full size step soon becomes too coarse. Therefore, phase 3 uses cosine decay. It smoothly lowers the rate along the halfway wave. Large moves become medium moves, then small corrections. The curve avoids a sudden drop between update sizes. Near the end, parameters settle instead of bouncing across the basin. Now, GPT-3 answers the opening mystery with a real schedule. Its paper reports linear warm-up for 375 million tokens. Then cosine decay lowers the rate to 10%. The decay spans 260 billion tokens. Opening updates stay restrained. Finishing the updates become the precise. Here is the particular twist. The learning rate scheduler never watches understanding. It follows training progress, not the intelligence. So its curve is not the model's learning story. It is a trust policy for the gradients. Cautious first, bold during the search, and precise near the end. Warm trust, then spend it.